Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see the deets about this $50 Amazon wig, then keep on watching. Alright, I ordered this wig off of Amazon. It was $50. It came in like 2 days, I believe. And it is from the company Fushi. This is what the box looks like. Pretty packaging. It is in a 613 canicolon fiber. It is a 22 inch and it has a 250 density. So in the box, we're gonna take this off first. Let's open this bad boy up, see what we got in here. This is how they packaged it on the inside, nice and neat. It's in a wig net, and underneath it comes with a wig style guide, which is telling you how to put on your wig, how to apply your wig, how to take care of your wig. It shows you all these pictures here. Future of fiber, which means it's heat safe. Tells you how to wash your wig, how to care for your wig, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and shake this out of the bag and see what we got here. And I can tell you right off the back that it feels really nice, and it is extremely thick. So be prepared. Here is your lace. You get a lot of lace with this unit, a lot of lace. Ear to ear, it comes with baby hairs, nice parting space. It's got 2 combs on the sides in the front. It has a comb in the middle. See those 2 on the sides. A comb in the middle, and it has a comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps, and it has lace in the back also that you can utilize. But as far as the lace in the back goes, I don't know if you would be able to wear it up in a ponytail because the tracks are not placed accordingly, but somebody will figure it out. Okay, right now I'm showing you the parting space. I'm just sectioning off some hair so you can see the parting space. See how deep the parting space actually is. That is wonderful parting space for a synthetic wig, if I do say so myself. Okay, so I got this puppy on. It is so funny looking. I can tell you right now that this is not my color, so I will be going in and doing something with the roots. And if you want to see how I do that, then just stay tuned. It's coming up. Again, I am parting and sectioning off the hair, showing you how deep the parting space is, and I am going to brush it out. Just get it together a little bit before I apply it and cut the lace. Now it comes with these long baby hairs, but the thing people often mess up on when they get these wigs and it has baby hairs is actually using the baby hairs. On these blonde units, you do not want to use the baby hairs. If you use the baby hairs, then you have to pluck out some more hair around the edges. Now if you watch what I'm doing, I'm just going to brush the baby hairs back, and it's going to be already pre-plucked. It's going to look more natural. See that? You'll see it better after I actually apply it, but just watch. See that? See the hairline? Just don't use the baby hairs at all. If you do, just take itty bitty out. But there's really no need for the baby hairs on the blonde. Now right here, I'm just going to cut the lace off, and then I'm going to apply it to my head. I'm using this mousse, argan oil mousse, to slick the flyaways back so I can spritz it down. I'm going to use some spritz. Pump it up. I'm going to use some pump it up to lay it down. I find that pump it up works better in the summertime. It just holds on much better. I got caught in a thunderstorm and I had to walk like a mile to the car. Got rained on, no hood, no umbrella or nothing, and it still was stuck on my head. This is how long the wig is. It comes down to my butt crack. Excuse me, but that's where it stops at. And I think it looks good. As you can see, the edges, the hairline I should say, is good. This is all the hair that I thinned out of it with the razor comb. You have to thin out a lot of hair because it is very thick. And then, see, I already did my roots. I didn't do it on camera, but all I did was take a brown eyebrow pencil and I basically just colored in my roots. I didn't do it everywhere. I just did my hairline and my part. Just took a pencil and colored that in. It's not going to stay long, so you will end up having to do it over depending on how much you wear the wig. But it's just that easy. Demonstration purposes. That's basically what I did. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below also.